But I hope you do walk away tonight with a deeper insight into the central problem of the economy right now. Because that problem of inadequate demand is still with us. The economy is now growing at about 2% per year. This growth of 2% per year is about the growth we've had on average since the recovery started, since the absolute bottom of the recession, the Great Recession as it's come to be known. But this 2% per year average over the last 3.5, 4 years is pitiful. This is about half of the average economic growth per year in the typical recovery over the last 10 recoveries. If we start obsessing too quickly about the budget deficit, and if we cut government spending and raise taxes on the middle class, which is what's happening right now, believe me, this is what we are doing right now. We are starting to cut government spending and we're raising taxes on the middle class. What that is going to do is exacerbate the problem of demand. Now, this is a very important point, because you've got to understand something. Between the late 70s and 2008, the median wage in the United States, adjusted for inflation, barely rose at all. I'm going to say this again because I'm reading your faces, and some of you blanked out as I said that. I think it was median wage, median. You know, whenever you hear somebody talk about averages, you know, the average wage is going up, average incomes are going up, and they are. Average wages and average incomes are going up. Watch your wallet. The basketball player Shaquille O'Neal and I have an average height of 6'1". But just to wrap up, particularly to answer the question that I asked you a moment ago, why in the late 70s did wages flatten? Well, the answer has to do with two things. One is a word that has gone from obscurity to meaninglessness without any intervening period of coherence, and that word is globalization. And the second is technological change. But technologies came along with globalization, busted up many of those oligopolies, created much more consumer choice. That's good, but at the same time put downward pressure on wages. Until we confront the paradox of widening inequality, we are not going to have a healthy and buoyant and large and growing middle class, and we are not going to have a healthy, strong, and buoyant economy.